making a drink. It's got a lot of Angostura, so much it's brown.
Almost too much.
But surprisingly fantastic.
I like it. Welcome to Comment Cocktails, Dan, Ian, and Derek. I got it. We're all here making the Trinidad Sour. It's going to be in a coupe glass.
This is Ian's drink.
This is Ian's favorite drink.
It is.
And if you're wondering why there's panting, it's because we have a tiny visitor. So this drink is going to be 1.5 ounces of Angostura bitters.
Don't adjust your camera. That's exactly what he said.
For a second, I thought you were talking about that camera. You wanted me to make another adjustment.
No, never.
Half ounce of rye whiskey. Oh shit, do we have any? Oh,
Right there?
Okay, that's cool.
Rye whiskey?
An ounce of Orgeat and 3/4 ounce of fresh lemon juice. Yes, ounce and a half. So the recipe on recipe.ostrichrace.com was an ounce. I don't know if we always do an ounce, but the one I saw on liquor.com is an ounce and a half.
I always just do an ounce.
Really?
Yeah.
So I don't know why we only do
I
an
always thought
ounce.
this was made with rum. I don't know why I thought that. We drink it a lot, too.
Yeah, made with rye. Yeah. Come on. Get your shit
I
together.
know. And now I know. I didn't know before.
Now you know.
What's a small bit of rye to a large bit of Angostura?
Yeah, the rye is just probably to give it a little bit extra body or something. I don't know, because it's just Angostura bitters, right? So you typically use a whiskey with Angostura bitters. It's just the reverse ratio.
That's true.
And this time we're going all out. You have lemon, which pairs with whiskey. It's like our inverse whiskey sour.
With Orgeat.
With Orgeat. Whiskey sour Mai Tai. I don't know where this recipe comes from, but the reason I chose this recipe is this releases on April 21st, and that's my birthday.
What are you
So
doing?
I thought to myself, if I wanted a birthday cocktail, and it was going to be something that we don't normally drink, Trinidad Sour would be right up on the list of things, because we haven't had it for a couple of years. We used to make them a lot.
It's a really good drink.
I don't know. It's just felt, and we haven't done it in a while here, so I was like, let's make that happen.
True.
And now it's happening for my birthday, which isn't until next week, real time. But when this comes out, it'll be on the day. So it's like I was drinking it on my birthday, but I won't.
But kind of.
Maybe I'll watch the show.
You're in the future.
I can watch
For
it.
future.
No, I'll watch this episode while drinking one and cheers myself. Cheers, Derek.
It's my sister's birthday yesterday, so this is like my sister's birthday drink too.
Really? Oh, okay.
She's a week before you.
Oh, so now.
It's a lot of birthday drinking.
Yeah.
There's nothing wrong with that.
Be drunk because everybody's having birthdays. Anybody else having a birthday we could drink to? Make another one.
Oh, that's right. My birthday's coming up.
And you're always getting the margarita.
Yes, that's true.
Because it's like Cinco de Mayo time period. Or is it actually on Cinco de Mayo?
No, it's May 1st.
Like
we always celebrate it on Cinco de Mayo.
Uno de Mayo.
Looks like Bloody Mary.
It does.
Where's my thing?
Looks like butterscotch.
Right there.
You're right. We haven't had these in a long time.
Like that. Oh, is this too tall?
Yeah, I think
Hold on. I might have zoomed in just for that small coupe last time. And now it needs to be bigger. And now it's
need to be
I don't know
taller.
if the focus is going to be in focus.
like a
Can you fix the focus?
Oh, look at that. That means something.
Push. Can you
It means
push it
it
and hold
went
it?
like
Doesn't that fix it?
It did something. So.
It may be a focus. I don't know. If not, I'll come up with an alternative shot.
The
Or I'll use
color
my
of this
old
drink
one.
is one of the most amazing parts of this drink. It's just so deep and like...
And the
Like
color
color.
of not good. Like this is scary looking. If somebody served me a cocktail that looked like that and it didn't have coffee in it, I don't know what I would do. Like,
You would think there's tomato sauce. Tomato.
You think it's like tomatoes. Well, it's like brownish too.
yeah, but it does.
Yeah.
It just doesn't look like tomatoes. It just, I don't know. It would be scary. But I know what it is.
It does look like a little brown, like a little like cocoa.
Yeah.
Yeah. You remember that?
It's good. It's so good.
It's like, it's got a little sour from the lemon, but
So clovey and bitter. And
clovey, cloves, cinnamon, allspice, lemon. I don't really get any rye.
I feel like an ounce and a half is too much, though. I think an ounce.
Your battery back.
That's good.
So what would you do? Like an ounce and then
You think it
an
makes a
ounce of
difference?
rye?
No, I just do everything else the same.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
It's really good.
So what did you say? I'm sorry. The camera went off, so I missed what you said. Yeah.
No,
It's like,
I feel like 1.5 ounces is almost too much. I think the ounce was a better
way
ratio.
better, yeah.
Yeah.
But it's not like
But
too
still
strong.
delicious. Yeah.
Like you think drinking that much Angostura would be like blow your palate out, and it's not.
No, I don't mind it at all. Like I was trying to figure that out too. Like an extra half ounce of bitters is a lot of additional bitters.
Yeah.
But maybe we'd have to taste them side by side to see. But like, I just feel like once you go over the top, can you actually go over her? Like this?
Yeah. Yeah.
Because you're just drowning out the other things. Like it still has lemon, but maybe you get more rye flavor.
I think
out
the
of
balance of the sweetness is.
But this is on liquor.com like this.
I think they're wrong in this case.
Hey, they could be.
Yeah, that's my palate though.
Yeah, everybody.
Like I'm used to the first version
Yeah.
that we've done with 1 ounce of the Ango, and maybe the ratios were a little bit different. I can't remember, but
No, I think everything else is like that's what I thought. I thought the ratio was just different, so they'd all be slightly tweaked to get to the half
they're
ounce,
not.
but they weren't.
Yeah.
They were all the same
which makes
thing.
sense to me because I like it a little bit. Well, I like with the ounce and the other stuff the same because I think the Orgeat comes out a little bit more
Yeah.
and it becomes more of a decadent.
Yeah, that you
bitter
don't
drink.
get. You
I
definitely
think
get the
that-
lemon. The rye doesn't. I guess it kind of balances it out a bit.
The Orgeat, I think it might get lost, but the sweetness is still present. Like you're just not getting any of the flavor.
But
of
then
the
why
almond.
not just use simple syrup if you're
Yeah.
gonna do
I don't
that,
know.
right?
Yeah, it might. Maybe it's too sharp.
So I think like taking back a half ounce of this lets this play a little bit more.
So that is your test: is to go make both of these because, of course, you would have to. Why would you just make one drink just to watch us do it? You got to experiment and figure out what you
Exactly.
like.
And it's a good drink. It really
Right.
is.
Oh,
it's a
it's a great drink.
surprisingly different drink. So
Look, you can even see like the Belgian lace.
Like you said, it's just like clovey and like it's not
comfort in
it's-
glass.
It is.
Yeah, it's warm. Almost holiday, but almost too much to be holiday. Like it's not. It doesn't. It's just very direct.
Yeah.
Where you get get that cloves and cinnamon, and you're thinking like winter, but then you're like, no, it just doesn't feel. It doesn't have the right winter sense to it.
I feel like throwing in the extra half ounce of this is like making it like a hipster version of
Oh
it.
yes.
You know what I mean?
Oh,
You know what I mean?
maybe we're hipster now.
Well, no, because I don't like the extra half ounce. I'm saying
so
like,
he's anti-hipster.
yeah, I'm anti-hipster. I
Yeah.
feel like adding extra half ounce is like just like bitter drinks are a thing, so let's make this more bitter. You know
I see what you're saying. Yeah, you're like you got to always.
If we're
think
this
it-
cool, we're gonna be this cool now.
right? Because this is cool.
Yeah.
This is hipster.
Right. Yeah.
Got it.
Oh, you
This
don't
is like
like with
pushing
more
the
Ango?
boundary.
Oh, you must not like Ango. Are you? Yeah, you know what I mean?
Yeah. I get
Or
it.
throw a little Maro in
Get out of
there.
my face with your extra Ango. Slap it out of your mouth.
Our executive producer is WT Fitz. Go to patreon.com/CMC or just click the join button below if you'd like to help us. Basically, you give me money, I buy more alcohol, we make more cocktails, you get
Yeah.
more show. It's like the circle of life.
Yes.
Just like that. Let's
Keep
just
it going.
There's no lions involved.
You're nuts.
Except for this one. Except for the
Don't-
panting of the
Don't
dog.
make them pee.
Nope. I don't have to do anything. It's all on him.
Outside of that, here's what I'm going to suggest you do. You're going to click the like button, and there's a bell. You want to click that too. Hey, don't knock over my vodka, because what am I going to do without that? And then you should watch the show again. Give me some extra views.
I
Uh-oh.
think he knows what.
He doesn't understand your words. That's it.
We're alive, buddy.
I know. We're teaching you how to drink. Would anyone like a dog? $9.99 can be yours.